So how do you feel in Bangladesh for a long time, 16 years?
Yeah, that's as I said from the beginning. Bangladesh is a country. When I'm coming here, I thought it's very difficult to work because the literacy of Bangladesh in 2009 when I was here. Now it's becoming a drastically changing, and people are becoming well educated. Even that whoever studied up to class 10 or metric pass or something, that
Okay.
those are also now very much educated. Even I learned English to them by myself. Now they are becoming general managers and they are getting high salaries, more than 200,000. That means the Bangladesh culture and Bangladesh nature, Bangladesh people nature, they want to do the right thing. So we have to guide them. And now the Bangladesh is in a very high position I would say in the garment manufacturing. They are in a very high ranking in the world. So that's how the Bangladesh goes. So basically, it's a country that people, always looking for new things. This is how Bangladesh.